Hi friends, welcome back. While Diwali is such a wonderful opportunity to refresh and decorate our homes, I've come to realize that regular organization is just as important. In today's video, I'll be sharing some handy tips which will help you get your home organized for this festive season. So let's get started. Let's check out our first idea to decorate our homes using old gift bags which can no longer be used for gifting to someone. So the gift bag that I'm going to use has my name on it and is a bit sticky on one side, but the other side is as good as new, so I'm going to make the wall art using that side. So all you need is a plain or a light colored paper that will be used as a base. And if you want to give it a nice effect, you can cut out the gift bag a few centimeters smaller, and with the help of a double-sided tape or with the help of a glue stick, you can paste it on the base. So after you cut it, you can just paste it on the base and insert it into the frame. And there you have your wall art looking beautiful, and it adds so much color to any plain wall in your house. The next tip is with this cupcake holder, which is a 2-tire holder, and I had this in my kitchen cupboard which I just use maybe once or twice a year. So I thought, let me just give it a good use this Diwali and make the kitchen counter look more pretty as well as functional. By organizing in this manner, your cupcake holder, which is otherwise used very less, becomes a stylish storage spot for kitchen essentials. The next tip has saved so many of my candle holders as well as the diyas which I use on Diwali by keeping them in the freezer. This is a simple and effective trick to remove the wax which has hardened and is otherwise difficult to remove from the candle holders. All you have to do is place the candle holder or the diya in the freezer overnight. Once frozen, the wax shrinks a lot and makes it easier to pop out. By using a gentle tool or a knife, you can just remove it without damaging the surface. This trick works well on surfaces like glass, metal, and even some fabrics. Now that our candle holders are clean, I have placed candles in all of them. But I have this long candle which I just placed and it is a bit tilted. Let's see how we can fix this problem. Here is a quick and effective fix that's especially helpful for uneven candle holders. Tear off a small piece of aluminum foil and place it inside the base of the candle holder to add more stability. You just have to wrap the foil in the bottom of the candle holder, focusing on the side that needs extra support to stand straight. Here is an easy way in which you can keep your bedside tables free of hot water drink marks with minimal effort. By choosing a mat that complements your room decor to cover any existing marks, this is a great way to prevent future hot water marks and also adds a decorative look to your bedside table. The next one is such a clever hack for quick ironing. All you need is a small spray bottle with water in it. Lightly mist the wrinkled areas of your clothing with the water. Be careful not to soak it, just a light spray to dampen it. Now comes the fun part. All you need is your hair dryer on the warm setting and direct it over the damp areas. Keep it moving back and forth across the fabric until the wrinkles smooth out. This trick is perfect when you are in a rush and need your clothes wrinkle-free without the hassle of using an iron. Last but not the least, bathrooms are often overlooked in home decor, but they play a significant role in the overall look and feel of a home. Adding decor often comes with practical elements like storage baskets. Thoughtful decor can help you stay organized, keeping things such as toilet rolls and essentials easily accessible. Constantly buying new baskets might seem convenient, but when you create your own storage solutions, these can just be as functional and in fact will add a personal touch to your home. By repurposing a cardboard box and covering it with some wallpaper, we made a beautiful basket that looks much better than having the packet of rolls beneath the cupboard in the bathroom.
So that's it for today, guys. I hope these ideas will help you make your home feel more festive, welcoming, as well as clutter-free. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. I make new videos every week and I'd love you to be part of my YouTube community. Wishing you and your loved ones a very happy Diwali filled with love, light and laughter. Take care and I'll see you soon next week. Bye-bye.